Sign up your business with PayPro. To create a business account, visit paypro.com.pk and click on the Sign Up button. Choose the Business Account tab in the left column. Input your work email address and password in the right column. Review the terms and conditions and click on the I accept terms and conditions checkbox and click on Submit to continue to the next step. Add your business details such as business name, contact number, city, and industry. Click on Submit. In the last step, let us know what service are you interested in and click on Submit. After completing the sign-up form, you can view the test dashboard and explore the features of our API. Our sales representative will contact you within one working day to assist you with the sign-up process.